Our other major story tonight, COVID cases on the rise and fears of another surge. Dr. Anthony Fauci telling me earlier he's quite concerned about a possible resurgence. After months of decline, 22 states are now seeing an increase in cases, even as vaccinations are picking up. The U.S. breaking another record for vaccinations reported in a single day, nearly 3.5 million shots into arms. More than 50 million people in the U.S. now fully vaccinated, but the spreading variants threatening progress. Health officials describing this as a pivotal moment in the pandemic. Here's ABC's Stephanie Ramos.
Tonight, new warnings. The nation could be on the brink of a fourth coronavirus surge. New cases now steadily rising in 22 states. The nation averaging nearly 59,000 new infections every day.
I'm quite concerned about the rise because we've seen this pattern before.
Hospitalizations also on the rise. In Miami Beach,
turn to your hotel rooms or wherever you're staying.
Authorities enforcing curfews, desperately trying to quell the spring break crowds that Dr. Anthony Fauci fears could add fuel to the fire.
We don't mind if people come here and have a good time, but if they could just do it in a responsible way.
Vaccinations hitting a new 24-hour record, nearly 3.5 million doses already given. But the variants still a major concern tonight. The U.S. reporting more than 8,000 cases of the UK variant now in all 50 states, and officials believe it could be more deadly. In the UK, officials are planning to start testing the first booster shots on the elderly in September, and some health experts suggest the U.S. could follow suit.
We have an arms race between variants and vaccines, and as soon as variants start to evade the vaccines, that tells us that we're going to need to modify the vaccines in order to keep up.
And that's something to watch closely. Stephanie Ramos joining us now from a mass vaccination site in New York City. And Stephanie, you're learning nearly every state in the country now moving to expand vaccine eligibility now.
Exactly, Whit. The White House says 46 states plus D.C. have pledged to open vaccine eligibility to those 16 and older by May 1st. That deadline set by President Biden. Whit.
Okay, Stephanie, our thanks to you tonight.